Hi guys!
More snow!
Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make snow slime, but I don't have instant snow at home, so first step is to make it. All we're gonna need is baking soda and shaving cream. That's all. That's easy. Hi guys! As you can see, I made a little mess, but that is the reality. And I wanted to add a little bit of glitter, but there's no such thing as too much glitter. So I'm gonna divide my snow into two parts. One I'm gonna add into store-bought slime, and another into the slime that I'm gonna make now. So here's my slime. It turned out just perfect as I wanted. Hear this crunch. So good. And my blue snow. I don't know why it's blue, but let's put our slime in. It's not mixing in, I don't know why, but it feels like wet. But it's softer.
More snow!
It feels wet and softer. Really interesting feeling. Like, this not feels at all like a slime. I think if I will put more snow, it will be like a snow slime. It's not stretchy, but it's also soft. While I'm mixing, I'm gonna ask you a little bit of questions. The first one is, do you like snow slimes? Do you like instant snow or everything that with snow? And do you like weather when it's snow falling? Do you like winter? First of all, it was feeling like so soft and interesting, but now it is wet and like don't feel like slime at all. Like just a piece of glue, activated glue, with a lot of soda and shaving cream in it. I think that is okay for snow. We mixed a half of the bowl and we ruined our perfect slime. I don't like the snow. Just for playing like with snow, like for kids, it's perfect, just perfect, but for slimes, it's not okay. Just ruin your slime. See, it's even don't sticking together, it's just falling apart. Nope, don't use homemade instant snow for your slimes. It will just ruin it. But There's a lot of pluses in this instant snow. You can use it for experiments or just for playing. It's really, really soft and pretty. We're gonna try it with store-bought slimes. Maybe it will work better. First of all, I'm gonna mix perfect pink one and the perfect blue one. Look how pretty they are. It is like just as perfect as possible. I'm gonna put this away. And 3, 2, 1. I think it will be pretty. Look, it's looking like a diamond, just actual diamond. And one big plus, all of the store-bought slimes that I was having, they were smelling just gross, and these are smelling like shampoo, I think, something like this. Best. It is just stick like with my homemade slime, just my hands are wet now. And I already see it didn't work. It just fell apart and there's just gooey, ugly pieces of slime. Yes, it is a pretty good snow. Yes, it is sparkly, but it's just ruined my store-bought slime. This is too bad. Like, for normal snow, it's okay, like just perfect. You can play with it. You can shape it into something, but for slimes, you just can't use it. But you can make an interesting experiment with this snow. Just put this snow into a cup, pour some little bit of vinegar in it, and just run away. The foam will come out so fastly. My face is not so happy because what I'm holding is just ugly. I can't even call it a slime. Leave a giant comment down below to see more videos like gross experiments like this one or something interesting that you like. Write in comments a recipe of your favorite slime. Oh, a blue poop. This homemade snow is really good for playing. It's easy to make. You need only 2 ingredients to make it, but it's not workable for slimes. And if you know some interesting recipes of slime, you can comment down below and I'm gonna check it out. And if I will find something interesting, I'm gonna make it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumb up, subscribe, and click a bell to see more videos like gross, cool, and funny experiments, some DIYs, and unboxing videos. I love you so much. Bye!